Welcome to Big Mouth Academy,
where learning is big fun.
Class is now in session.
It's a Big Mouth Academy word jumble. Oh, yes. And what is this? Let's use the letters and spell it out together. Usurp!
No!
No? Okay, let's try again. Raspy!
No!
No. All right, one more try. Purse! That's correct. P-U-R-S-E. Purse. Now for a spelling surprise.
Surprise!
Shake, shake, shake. Pop. Disney Frozen. Magic Kinder. All right, let's get to work, Hans! Great job!
School's out!
A+, good time! Learning is big fun! Thanks for playing! Bye-bye! It's an apple! Yes! A-P-P-L-E. Apple! You got it! Looks like a spelling surprise! Let's crack open the fun!
Surprise!
Shake, shake, shake!